Hello everyone and welcome back to All Right Free. Today I'm with Clipper and today I'm going to show you what we do during a windy day at the barn. Hi. It's actually quite windy at the barn, so as you can tell by Lucy's forelock. There's Cassandra.
Hi. one hole in the hay bag. Let me turn that around. And turns right back around, of course.
Lucy's like, but I just want the food. So we're actually gonna go ride up behind the college because there is a college near our barn and you're allowed going riding behind there. So it's about an hour and a half ride, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Just got my tack box because we are going for a ride now. So now I'm going to get Dun Boy. This should be a fun day. So I'm just gonna groom him in his stall because he's a good boy and he just stands and eat hay. Hey? So now we got him all groomed up and tacked up, so now we're gonna hop on and go for a ride. So now we are on and we're gonna walk on. Just giving them a break. Cassandra's mounting back on Lucy. So, okay, let's go. So this used to be the old barn. I didn't ride there, but I think Cassandra has, right?
We're like a block away from it now.
Yeah, now we're like a block away from it.
I don't think they can see the hair.
Hey. Home again.
Oh yeah, there he is.
So we are now back at the barn and it's about 12 o'clock now. So I'm all finished for the day. So I'm gonna finish grooming him and then we're gonna head home.